Game-changing healthcare innovation is happening right now, and it's being led by Aussie giants on the ASX. Mesoblast, regenerating the future. $21.9 million in quarterly revenue, up 66%, with Rewunsel now used in 32+ US transplant centers. $162 million in cash reserves supports a strong growth runway. Backed by FDA approval for Rewunsel, targeting IBD, heart failure, and chronic back pain, multi-billion-dollar markets in sight. Sonic Healthcare, powering global diagnostics. 130 patients across 7 countries. FY25 revenue, 9.6 billion Australian dollars. Profit up 7.6% YoY. 423 million euros acquisition of Germany's LADR expands global reach. Investing in AI and digital diagnostics, paying $1.07 per share in dividends. Reliable, global, and scaling fast. Pro Medicus, record-breaking FY25, 213 million Australian dollars revenue, plus 31.9%, 115.2 million Australian dollars profit, plus 39.2%, and an insane 74% EBIT margin. Secured over 650 million Australian dollars in contracts, including the University Hospital and Cancer Research Centre. Cash in the bank, 210.7 million Australian dollars. Debt, zero. Faster, smarter, and more scalable than ever. These aren't just healthcare stocks. They're global innovation engines. Follow for more ASX insights.